Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful set. So I wanted to go ahead and try these new tips that I got from BeYou. These are pre-cut stiletto tips, and so they save the time of me having to cut down the tips and actually shaping them down. And I kind of like these tips because they do have like a little flat shape. But the only thing I dislike is that they don't curve, and I kind of like when my nails have like a little curve to it. But these tips are actually, they're perfect for people who like flat tips, like the kind of like the nail forms, I would say. So yeah, they're kind of like the nail forms. When you finish using the nail forms and you remove the nail forms, they kind of have that shape to it. But other than that, these tips are actually perfect if you like that shape, that flat look. So going into the tutorial, this nail powder is actually a powder that I actually mixed up using I'm sorry, I don't know why I can't talk today. But this is an acrylic powder that I mixed up. This is Mia's Secrets Cake Pink powder. And I actually mixed that with some clear and a little bit of white. But I mostly added clear to kind of get that sheer look because the pink was very, very pigmented. And the colors that I've been using lately, they actually come from a collection from Mia's Secret. So yeah, I've been just, playing around with those colors. So I'm just going ahead and applying clear on the bottom of the base color, and then I'm adding my base color, which is the custom mix pink acrylic. So as you guys can see, I like to take my time when I'm doing my own nails, because I like to pay close attention to my cuticle area. But when I'm on a client, I already know what I'm doing, so I kind of go a little bit faster. But since it's my nails, my own nails, I kind of take my time and for video purposes, I like to be a little bit perfect, but I know everyone's not perfect, but you guys get the gist. And so after I have applied my base color, I'm just going to encapsulate that with clear acrylic, and then I'm going to file and shape my nails and then apply gel top coat. And after I apply my gel top coat, I'm going to go ahead and apply some Swarovski crystals that I got from eBay, and mix that with some regular crystals that I got from my local beauty supplier. And I'm sorry, my local beauty store, but it's actually a wholesale store where they sell nail supplies. So yeah, I would say a wholesale beauty supply. And this is the finished look. I would like to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel, and my subscribers for watching and enjoying my content. Thank you guys so much, because you guys actually inspire me to do these videos. Thank you guys so much.